How to remove the invisible filter on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. If you're also trying to remove the invisible filter from TikTok, let me show you the process of it. Firstly, you would want to open up your TikTok app and download the video that has the invisible filter on it. So just download the video. To download the video, just tap and hold, and you should have an option of save video. If the creator has not allowed that option, tap on the share button on the bottom right and tap on copy link. Once the link to the video has been copied, open up a web browser and then search for TikTok video download. We're gonna download this video from third-party applications because the creator has not allowed. Tap on any of these websites and paste in the link of the TikTok video that you just copied. Tap and hold, tap on paste, and then tap on download. This way the video will be downloaded to your phone. Once the video has been downloaded, the next thing you need to do is search for TikTok Invisible Filter Remover APK. This way all of the results will open up for the APK files or the applications of Invisible Filter Remover. You can open up any of these websites and you should have an option of download right here. Download the APK onto your phone. And once the APK has been downloaded, you will need to just install it and use the invisible filter remover to remove the filter from the video that you just downloaded. This way the invisible filter should be removed from the video. So that was a quick process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.